I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Hi guys, it's still Monday, still the vlog of what I eat in a week as a uni student. So you saw that I ate Rice Krispies, and it's currently 5 p.m. and I've just ended by eating a Rice Krispies. I'm so hungry. I'm dying of hunger. I'm about to make something to eat because I'm gonna sleep and then cook when I wake up. So let's get to that because I'm dying.
Playing with makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't late today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever.
Hi guys, it's still Monday, 10:30. I just woke up. I know I slept for I haven't slept for 2 days. I deserve to sleep this long. I'm gonna cook. I know it's late, but I have to because I won't have the time. So let's go cook supper.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's is gonna tear us apart.
Just know like once. Life move fast, we do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. You know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is taking to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. You know what you want. Only been a few hours but it feel like days. Only been days but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
On them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You're gone, what you got is good, that's why. You refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Definitely gonna slap, you know that. And I'm having it with some juice. So yeah, hi guys. So it's currently 1:30 a.m. Half past 1. So I haven't eaten anything. I've ended with the wrap. You see the wrap that I made? I haven't. That's the only thing I ate, and I'm still not hungry. This is basically like the reality of my life. Sometimes I eat once a day because of stress, because of just too many things going on. So I cooked. Remember yesterday I cooked. I was supposed to eat that food, but the thing is I'm not hungry. I've just been drinking water. I have water over there. Let me show you. Sorry about the light, but there's the water over there. Yeah, you see, it's almost done because I've been drinking that only. So yeah, like I'm gonna do this quick assignment and sleep. Try to sleep basically because I have class tomorrow, but I must have breakfast tomorrow because I have a long day. Hopefully I'll wake up on time for that.
The church, to make it very snappy in life, you go to school.
Hello, hi. I'm back from campus, and remember I lost 8 during the break at school. So I came back and I'm gonna eat this. Oh, why is it so bright? But yeah, it's just Italy pizzas mini. So it's like mini pizzas. I've never tasted them before. Excited. So I'm just gonna take one and eat that because I need to finish an assignment before I sleep. So it's actually really small. Like check how small. Like it's really a mini pizza. But yeah, I take this as a snack or something, you know. Let me try one, and if I'm not full, I'm just gonna eat another one. Guys, it smells delicious. Let me show you guys. So like it's melted and this is how it looks. It looks so delicious. I hope it tastes the way it looks. Okay, this is nice. Last bite. You first, because this is nice.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love.
I came back from campus and it's like 4 something. Came back like 1 hour ago, and you'd be surprised if I tell you that I'm hungry. It's like my appetite works differently. Like today, I'm hungry. Other days, I'm not. So you saw me eating the pie and breakfast exeni. So now I'm having this burger that I got for free at campus. We get food every day really for free. So I just took this because the line was still there. So yeah, a win is a win. I'm gonna eat this burger right now and yeah, while watching something before I go study. Hi guys, so I'm eating supper and I'm not gonna eat on camera. I'm just showing you guys. I bought something on muchachos and it's a wrap. So I'm eating a burrito. It's actually a burrito, but it looks like a wrap to me. This is how it looks, and that's my supper. Let's go eat. I'm not eating with you guys though. Kanjani?